Hello, in this video I am gonna cover the color system in Bootstrap 5. So depending on what you're doing, whether it's borders, whether it's text or buttons or whatever, there's a certain color system, a color palette that you can use built into Bootstrap, and they have these names. If you watched any of my other videos or followed any other tutorials on Bootstrap, you will have I'm sure you will have come across this. So primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, info. So warning, wouldn't look like that with the black. That's just because they put a dark background on there. That's part of the coloring system as well. So info, light. Obviously white would not look good on a white background because you wouldn't be able to see it, or on a light background where it's hard to see. So you're putting on a dark background, and then the background colors as well. So if I want to apply one of these to my div right here, I just put text dash the actual palette name that we want to use. There we go. That's it. And if I wanted this on a dark background, just put bg dash dark, bg dash dark. There we go. You can do BG-light as well, because I've already got a white background for the rest of the website. You won't be able to see it. But if you didn't have a white background and maybe the rest of the website was a darker color, maybe black or dark gray, then that's where you would do something like BG-light. And again, you can see all the different background stuff. You don't have to just do dark and light. You have the corresponding colors as well. So if let's say I did text-white. See what that looks like now. We got a white text. Now let's put it on the success background. So BG success. Oh, wrong page, I reloaded. There we go. So that's all colors is. Depending on what thing specifically you're looking at, what component, what sort of helper class, what you're looking at in Bootstrap, they'll probably have its own respective way of implementing some sort of color. But again, it is still using these color systems, so I would get used to these. These are a great thing that you can use to get going. So if I go into component, if I go into badge, we have badges, and they're just using the background color. They're using like different text styles. If I go into, let's say, buttons, same thing. They're using a button color now, but again, it is still the same color name. So again, get used to these, and these are very consistent throughout. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. All the code will be in the GitHub link, which will be in the description, along with the button, not the buttons, the colors API page. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.